Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a wild thing from where the wild things are. Now if you guys would like to see more of these different characters, definitely let me know and I'd be happy to draw them for you. But thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Now to start off with our wild thing from where the wild things are, let's begin kind of right above the middle of our paper with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and let's start by drawing a circle for an eye. We're going to leave some space, and then we'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Inside of here, let's draw two little black dots for the pupils. Starting here, let's draw a little line that's going to curve out and in. And then another one here, we're just going to curve out and then in, right next to the eyes. Then let's draw a nice big smiley face right in the middle. Then right along here, right between the eyes, let's make a little zigzag line. Now, starting right over here, let's kind of make the shape of the head. So I'm going to begin right here, and let's start by drawing a big, sad face for the top of the head. And then let's make a big, smiley face shape for the bottom of the head. Starting here, let's make a great big smiley face shape for the mouth. And right underneath this line, let's draw some little V shapes for all the teeth. So we're just going to make these come all the way across. Next, we'll draw a little line that comes down. And then we'll draw a little line that comes out on each side. And I'm also going to make a little line that comes right underneath each eye. Now right here, let's draw the horns. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up to a point and back down. And then same thing over here, we're going to come up to a point and then down. Next, we want to make all of that wild thing fur around here. So let's start here between the horns. I'm just going to make some little skinny zigzag lines that come across. And then I'm going to make these come all the way down. We're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to kind of come out, and we're going to come all the way down here. Now when I bring these down, I want them to come to kind of like a point a little bit longer, so it looks like he's got a beard. So we're just going to bring these down a little longer, and I'll do the same thing over here. Bring them down until they come to a nice little point. Next, we're going to continue this zigzag line across here. Now let's make the arms. I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around, and it's going to come back. Same thing over here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around and come back down. Starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that are going to come down. And we'll make a nice little curved line across. Now, starting right here, we're going to make the legs. So I'm going to start by making a line that comes down a little bit farther. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then down. Same thing here, we're going to go out and then we're going to come down. Next, we're going to make the feet. So starting here, let's draw a little line that's just going to curve down. And we'll do the same thing here. We just come over and then we just curve it down. Next, we're going to bring this back to a point, and we'll do the same thing here. Just bring it back to a point. Let's do that again. We'll draw a line that goes down and then comes back. Another one here, down and then back. Long, kind of skinny points. We'll do another one here. One more here. And then we'll do one more point that goes down and over. And same thing here, we're going to come down and then over. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, and I'm going to bring it up and then in. Same thing here, I'm going to bring it over, we're going to come up and in. And we'll make a little line that curves across. Now let's make his Wild Thing tail. So to do this, we're going to start here, and all you have to do is just kind of make some wavy, kind of bumpy lines that go up and down, up and down. Then we're just going to curve the top. And we'll do that same thing. We're going to follow the same shape right on here. It can get kind of big and then get a little skinnier as it comes back to the body. Now we want to make the Wild Thing claws. So starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to come up and down. And we're going to do this about 4 times. So we're just going to make 4 nice big points on here. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make 4 big points on our Wild Thing. Then starting here, let's add a circle in here for his paw. Now on his feet, I'm going to make a little curved line on each one just so it shows where his little claws are going to be. Next, I'm going to make some long lines right inside of the tail, and this just makes it look a little bit more detailed. And you can make these lines kind of run on top of each other, and you can start them in different places, and it just makes it look a lot furrier. Now, right across his body, I'm going to just make some little curved lines. So I'll do 2 here, and then I'll do 2 curved lines over here because he's going to have some stripes on his body. We can make 2 more here. Next, let's draw 2 stripes coming right across here as well. Now the hardest part is going to be down here where we have to make his scales. So here's an easy trick on how to make scales. I'm going to start here. We're going to make a smiley face shape. So we're going to go down and then up. And we're going to do this all the way across. So I'm going to make these kind of big just so you can see them a little better. So we're going to make these big scales. Now the trick with making scales is you always want to start on the rounded point when you draw the next one. Don't draw them in between or else they're not going to look right. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to come to this one. So I'm just going to go down and then up. And I'm going to do this all the way across. So we're just going to go down and then up. Now when you get to here, just draw half of one. Now let's do the same thing over here on the legs. I'm going to start here and we're going to go up. We're going to go down and up, and then we're going to go down and over. And then you're just going to repeat this all the way across just to make the little scale texture on your little Wild Thing. So we're just going to continue this pattern all the way across here, and we're just going to make all the nice scales on our Wild Thing. And there you go, there is your drawing of a wild thing from Where the Wild Things Are. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.